So today we're going to go through how to set up the KJO's IPS app on your school district issued iPad. First thing you need to do is you need to go to self-service, and you're well aware how to do this from other apps that you've installed on your iPad. So you need to go through till you come to the KJO's IPS right here. Click Install. Once you have successfully installed the KJO's app, you will see it show up here on your desktop. You need to click on that. Allow it to access the microphone. And then you are going to create a account for yourself. As you are under 13, you'll need to use the under 13, enter your first initial. I'm creating an account for Mrs. Sarrow here. You want to set up the email using my email, so you're going to use rwilliams@eastpennsd.org. You're going to type that again for confirm email. And then you're going to create a password for yourself. Make sure that you jot that password down someplace securely so that we're going to be able to find that password again if you need it. An idea is you might want to take a pencil and write it in the front of your String Basics book or in the back of your String Basics book so that you can find that password again. Click Save. Go from there, and here we go to the main menu. This is the main menu you'll go to after you sign in most times. So once you get to the screen, normally you go up to the top and select My Book List to pull up the electronic version of your String Basics book. However, what we need to do first is we need to download that. So you're going to instead go to where the little shopping cart is down here where it says Marketplace. Click Marketplace. It will open up the store, and then it will ask you a question. It will say, do you have a book already, a physical book? And we are going to click Yes. Once you have that book, then what you need to do is you need to go into the back of the book, and you can find a code written right here in the middle. It says your user license code right here, and you see I've covered mine up so that it can't be hacked. But you want to find that code, and you want to enter that into this location. If you happen to have an older book that has a disc in the back of it, the disc in the back of it, there is a card that says IPS user license. You're going to actually rip that out, and you'll be able to find the code underneath there. So I entered my code in, and it comes up to here, Add Free Book. I click Add Free Book. I read through and agree to the license there. And here we go. We found the book. Now you're able to get into the book and go to whatever things you need to. You can watch my other video on using the IPS app to go and utilize the book from here.